Check out this electric grill brush I picked up. USB-C rechargeable, 1100 SPM. That is strokes per minute. That's a lot of strokes, my friends. Got a little screen right there. Power button, simple on off. We're at 100%. Look at that thing go. Well, it just makes me think it could be used for something else. Has 3 interchangeable heads. That guy just screws on right there. So you have the flame-resistant sponge. You clean this while the grill is hot, by the way. You got the spiral wire wheel that goes in the direction of the bars on the grill. And then you have this little mesh, kind of like steel wool looking thing. So, let's give it a shot. Now these different heads are interchangeable with that little tab and this base plate. So you see this guy uses this, a little spongy, which you want to use that wet, by the way, is the Velcro base plate there. Bring this guy up. Give it a little sponge action. There you go, that's a grill brush.